Hello, everybody. I'm back, and I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm excited. Been working on a couple of new things, and so I just can't wait to roll them out starting August 2024. But I got on here today because I got a revelation that I want to share with you all. And some of you may have already got this revelation, and if you did, shame on you for not sharing it with me. But y'all know how I am. When I get something good, I like to share it. Okay, so this is something that we've probably been doing a long time, saying a long time. I don't know about you, but if you grew up in the Baptist church, you prayed this every Sunday. Okay, and it's Psalms 19 and 14. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord, my strength and my redeemer. See, I even have it memorized because that's how long I've been saying it. But I've been missing a key element. I tell you, when you read the word and you pause for the cause and just meditate on what God is saying, He will give you revelation. The reason why we don't get revelation is because we don't meditate on the word and just begin to ask God, God, what are you saying in this season, in this passage? What do you want me to know? So when I read it, the word sight was isolated. It was like over here all by itself. It didn't make sense. And so I was like, wait a minute. It doesn't say, let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your ears. It says in your sight. So that tells me that God can see what only we can hear. And so I began to say, Lord, how can you see the words of my mouth? And He began to explain to me that we use words to construct the images in our mind, the blueprint. See, when we meditate, we create this blueprint. And when we create the blueprint, God can see the blueprint. Is it acceptable to Him? Is it acceptable what we're creating in our imagination and in our thoughts? Are they pleasing to Him? Because He can see it. Okay? And when we create the blueprint, then whatever we think, we end up saying. So when we say, we can either tear down or we can build up, because we know that death and life is in the power of the tongue. So we know that our words can build structures or they can tear down structures. So God is saying He can see the words, the things that we have built in our mind before they even come out of our mouth. Before He even hears it, He can see it. And so I want to encourage you, let the words of your mouth and the meditation of your heart be acceptable in His sight, for He is our strength and our Redeemer. God bless.